This will be an iPhone 6 charge dock replacement. So when I plug his phone in, nothing, see, no charge. Battery is not indicating anything. I'm going to flip the cord over just to double check. Still no charge, so okay. First thing we do is we want to unscrew the plate that holds down the battery and the charge dock plug. Just right here. And this one obviously has an aftermarket battery, and it looks like an aftermarket charge dock already, if I'm not mistaken. So let's unplug the battery and unplug the charge dock. So now they're both unplugged. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the dock back in first. Make sure it snaps down. Plug the battery back in. And then I'm just going to try plugging it in and seeing what happens. Boom. So I might have gotten lucky. This might just be a replug. But you don't want to get too cocky. Sometimes you'll think you have it and it tricks you. Connections, how can I help you? If it's just a 7, it's $114.99 and it takes about 45 minutes to an hour. I have to try fixing it first, so if I try repairing it and it's unfortunately blown and it's not going to work, we do charge you a fee for trying, and it's 25 bucks. Okay. So it looks like it's charging, guys. It's at 35%. We'll just check it in a couple minutes. I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah, went up to 36, so yeah, I mean, I didn't have to actually take the dock out, so I took this repair in thinking it was a bad charge dock, and sometimes what happens is you can see a battery was put in it, and I can tell a new dock was put in it, so I don't know where this was fixed at, but it has been fixed before, and somehow the dock and the battery maybe weren't like working well together, is how I'd say it, and just by unplugging both and replugging them back in, it reinitiated the charge, I believe. So that's it then. Just gotta put the screw plate back on and close it back up, and I mean, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.